Hold on to your pickle jars, because it's time for Beam Clamp.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Beam Clamp.
Beam clamp.
Beam Clamp. Alright, so we've decided to do this boss fight here. And I'm gonna let you decide, regular or simple.
Regular, we ain't no pussies.
We got it. We're in it.
We're gonna
We have 6 lives, don't we?
Yeah, 6.
Oh, we only have 3.
Whoops.
Nail, don't get hit by those things. I can parry them.
Oh, by the way, we have 3.
I saw.
I tried to
Oh, shoot. That was a good save on my part. Don't hit this guy. Don't hit this guy. Don't hit him. Don't touch him. Don't do anything to him.
Oh, yeah, the onion guy's chill.
Don't touch him. Freaky onion. Ah! Oh! Oh my god!
They're tracking?
What?
Nothing.
No, just shoots him in the direction, I think, right?
Nope, they're homing.
Oh shit, I wasted that X move. Wait. I think we have to kill him. We gotta kill him. Don't get hit by those tears. What the fuck, dude? No! You! Ah! Oh no! Wow, I got really close. Look at that.
Oh, we just have to defeat Carrot Guy?
Yeah, but I don't want to deal with the
Chili.
I don't want to deal with the. Oh shit! That's the wrong button. Okay. Come on. Ow, you, no, don't, no! What are you doing?
Owie.
Oh, fuck. Hey, buddy.
Yeah,
I should say that when you play on simple, you don't fight the onion.
we ain't no pussies.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. No, I wanted no. Oh, good. We got it. Nice. All right. Wait. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him, or I'm going to touch you.
Alright, whatever.
Chat, we just kidding. Chat, we. Oh God.
We can rotate.
Oh God. Hey, buddy.
Hey, you don't know.
Oh God. What?
Carrot.
Shit. It's fine. Wait, what do you mean? Wait, what? What do you mean? We don't know how far we got. Why are you drinking yourself, dog?
That's what I'm saying. I'm basically drinking my own piss. But the top
Your
of
own
my head
piss?
is white.
So, white piss?
Oh, what's the other white liquid that comes out of your piss?
Salad. Wait.
What?
Wait a minute.
Hello, Mr. Onion.
I didn't think. Ah! Oh shit! Oh God. Oh God.
Owie.
Wait, buddy.
The carrots.
No!
Why are those carrots?
You could shoot the carrots.
Oh, I know you.
I think we have to kill that onion guy. It looks like we're gonna have to kill him.
I think
Then.
we're gonna have to kill him. Can I duck? You cannot duck.
You can, but not under the meatballs.
That's what I was trying to.
You see, at first I thought these were meatballs, and I'm like, why is a potato man shooting meatballs at me? Then I realized they're clumps of dirt. And now I feel silly. No, don't use your X moves on him. Save your X moves for the other guy. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm not helping you, man. You're on your own. Bye-bye. Come on. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, why? Why? Why, Lord? Why have you done this to me? Wait, hold on. Now, I need to test something. Oh, God. So you can't dash forward. Or you can't dash upwards. Oh, God. I got blasted by meatballs. Oh, God. Neil, what are you doing to me? We're at 1 HP. I don't think we can save this.
No, we got this.
I know how to save it.
Get out of the middle!
Dude, I'm a savant, dude. They're not hitting me. Oh, God. Oh, God! he done got us, man.
Hey, man, I think they hit us.
I think we need to stay on the same side of him during the onion fight. You think? I think that's the strat. So that way, if you die, I could save you. Dude, you've been hit twice already. Wait. Okay. Light him up! Light him up! Let's go! Alright. I got 3 HP starting the fight. You are here for it. Oh, shoot. Wait. He's gonna shoot a little base beam. Shit. Ah! I got you! I got you, buddy. Why am I not hitting him? Oh, shoot! Oh, watch out! Oh, God. Come on, die! Oh, God! Ah! Come on, man, die already. Come on. Yes! Yes, Neil, wait! Oh, God. The piss missile that this guy threw at us.
We got an A!
Oh, my God. We're so good at this game.
Oh, yeah.
We're just the best. I love you, man.
I love you too.
Alright. Alright, now we gotta go this way. What? Root pack? Oh, that was a contract. Okay, that's neat.
So, now what?
I think we just go this way, no? Oh. Coffee court? Mausoleum. What's in the mausoleum?
What the fuck is a mausoleum?
I don't know what a mausoleum is. I think it's a grave.
Here comes a spooky bunch.
Oh.
Oh, no.
You have to stop them from getting into the thing. Oh, God. Wait, no, you take the ones on the left, I'll take the ones on the right. God, that was so, like, movie protag of me. It's like, you take the 500 on the left, I'll take the 500 on the right.
Hey.
Fuck you, I'll take 501. What? Are we? Is there an end to this? Oh God.
I would assume so.
Ah!
You're fast and old and
You get a hat. Oh, if you would mess that up, you can't shoot him, Neil.
I want to shoot him.
No, you're taking all of mine. Victory! Yay! I hit the winning shot. I'm better, therefore. Do we get a friend? Fuck you! Fuck you! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna... Wait, what? What did we just get?
What did she lace us with? What did we get laced with?
Did we just get...
Ryan. We got laced.
What the fuck did we just get? What happened? What? A new super?
We have supers?
Dear me, you mustn't forget that magical super arts have to be equipped in the main menu before use. Oh, super.
A devastating attack spill from your head. Horizontal only.
How do we do it?
E.
E?
What the fuck is an E?
Oh, I think that just means equip, no? No, it just means equip, okay. How do I use a super art? Okay. Who's this fish? So I hear you fellas gave some of them ghosts what for. Gladly, someone finally sorted them out. Might make the fishing even better here. Then again, might not.
What?
You scaled whore. Okay, I guess we gotta go down. Wait, what's up here? Wait, what's this tree? Oh, it's another boss fight.
Regular.
We ain't no bitches here. We don't do that bitch shit here over at Beam Club. What? Who the fuck are you? Ah! 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 Oh my God!
Hey buddy, watch out, you're at 1.
Watch out, buddy, you're at 1. Ah! Hey dog, maybe if you could like, stay alive enough to...
Oh shit.
How do I use my super? I'm sorry, that got me? How? Get away, get away, get away! Dog, when he does the elephant gun, if he does the elephant gun, don't get close to him. Oh God. Oh! Oh God! Wait. Oh God! He's big now. Oh God! That wasn't the button. That wasn't the button.
What? I'm dead. Why did you try and
So we only got halfway through that fight. Okay.
That means he has 3 phases.
I think he's about to. Yeah, he's about to do the the elephant pistol, elephant gun. Oh God.
What?
Oh God. Oh no. Oh God.
Damn, he massive.
Big fat ass, dog. Big fat ass.
You know who else is a big fat ass?
The person to your left.
Jamal Jackson.
Jamal Jackson.
I don't know.
Oh God.
Yeah, you're at 1 by the way, I think.
You're also one. Watch out.
I am
Oh
not,
shoot! Wait, I can say yes. I saved him.
I am not watching out, dog.
Oh God! Why did he jump? No, help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! You!
It went everywhere
You!
but towards you.
You!
I love you.
You!
I love you, buddy.
Is he like tracking where we are, or is he just, does he have like set path?
That is definitely not set.
Yeah,
I'm giving him back shots.
Neil, watch out, you're at 1. Watch out, Neil. He's gonna do the gum gum elephant gun. Dude, how did you miss? Oh god! I missed! Oh dear! Oh god! Oh! Oh no, Neil, help me! Help me, Neil! Help me!
I did it! I saved him! Finally!
Save me! Oh dear! Neil, save me! You have some Hadokens. Use some Hadokens. Use the Hadokens.
That's not it.
Use a Hadoken, buddy. Oh god! No! You almost got to his 3rd phase.
I almost got to gear 3rd.
Yeah, we did. No,
Wait, no, I almost got to gear 4th.
no, he was already using Gear 4.
No, I was using gear 3rd.
Well, no, because he could still punch in Gear 4, no? Ah! You!
No, his gear 4th. No, he was doing Kong Fist.
Oh god! Why did it do that? Oh shit! Neil, I'll save you! I was right there, I could've.
Yeah.
Maybe we should. Oh wait, this is a soul contract, isn't it?
What do you mean that's not the attack button?
Oh god! Why did it do that? Why? Okay, yeah, this is definitely set. Oh dear! Oh no! Wait, if we... Hold on. Wait, oh shoot, hold on. No. If we
do the genie.
If we summon... Can we summon the genie? Oh! We only... Wait. Oh, we only get 3 wishes. Huh.
Also, we normally start out with 3 health.
Yeah. But the genie gave us 6.
How am I supposed to auto-play this game?
I didn't know either. You just randomly figured it out. We can't be dumb about this. Oh god. And you. What?
You should know this about me, man.
Why? Why? He jumps when he's not supposed to jump.
Oh, I think those charge your little Hadokens.
Yes, I am aware. Wait, what? What did I just... How did I do that? Did you do that or did I do that?
You did that. Bonkers.
Oh dear. How do I go... How do I go ahead and use a super?
Well, it is horizontal.
What do you mean it's horizontal?
Like, it's horizontal. You can only use
I have to be horizontal? I don't know.
No, like...
Oh, I have to like... Oh, wait. Does it mean like I have to duck while using it?
No, like, it's like, you can only go horizontal. So, like, you can't aim it. And it goes the direction you're facing. You know, that's hopefully how it works. I think you have to hold down Kaioken.
The what button?
The Hadoken.
I think I figured it out.
Is it to hold down the
I used it the wrong way though. You hold down the Hadoken button, yes.
Oh, you don't even hold it down. If you have it charged, you just tap it.
Oh god. Oh god, no! Why did I do that?
Hey, buddy, let's maybe not.
What? Oh God! No! Wait. Oh! Oh no! You're telling me from the grave this man's a hater?
Oh my god, this onside beef is wild.
I mean, he did. You're telling me this guy lost his soul to the devil? That's the lore, right? That's I didn't make that up. He lost his soul to the devil, and that's why we're here.
Yeah.
Oh God, why did that happen? I'm actually so pissed about that. Oh God. Wait.
Ow,
What? That didn't do shit to him.
Owie!
I got you, buddy. Okay. Neil, help me.
No.
Maybe we don't do this.
Nah. We gotta do this, man.
Ah! Dude, why do I keep doing that? Sometimes he'll hit the wall and then not bounce off. Like, he'll just like be in the corner. And then sometimes he's just like, you know, okay. Nice use of your super jackass.
Love you too.
Wait, oh!
Oh god, he's gonna be a D1 hater now.
Don't worry, he doesn't,
What he doesn't know is I have 2 HP.
Oh! Neil, help me. Help me, buddy. Help me. Help me. Neil!
God damn it!
You are! How could you not help out your dear old brother, huh? You see me struggling over here. I work hard to make a living. You don't know how to parry me. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Forget it.
Hadouken. Ow. There is in fact no Hadouken.
Yeah, you're right. Oh God, why am I an idiot? Why am I a stupid? Wait, I want these.
That's not the right button.
Why did it do that?
What? Bazinga.
Oh God, buddy. I'm kind of sorry. I'm really sorry about this, man.
You got this, bro. You got this.
I don't got this, dog.
Kill the D1 Glazer.
I will die.
Kill the D1 Glazer.
Glazer? Dog, he a hater. Oh! Why does he do that? Oh, it's right there, dude. I could have gotten him to his final phase.
Yeah, he basically goes Gear 5 because he's dead.
That's true. Wait. Gear 5 doesn't mean he's dead.
But it is very taxing in terms of energy. It basically...
I'm sure dying would be very taxing of energy.
Exactly.
Oh God.
Excuse me, he hit us twice.
Why?
You got juked.
I've been oh! Why? Does that actually do damage to him? I can't tell.
I would hope so. God damn it.
Oh! Oh! No, that actually works out. Actually, that works. Can I? Oh, I can. Can I not dunk? Oh, Neil! Hey, no, it's fine. It's fine. Continue the fight. Continue the fight. You have to hit the head on the thing.
Hey, try me. I'm a professional. I'm a trickster. I use trickster and Devil May Cry.
This boy hit him with a trick. Oh! Hit him with a trickster, boy. Hit him with a trickster. Come on. No!
I was so close.
Yeah, you were right there, dog.
Hey, the trickster was working.
Bro, I thought this was gonna be like that. I'm handing off to you, bro. This is your fight. Oh, God.
Hey, you see, the problem is I keep confusing B with the trickster.
Trickster has always been B.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's right.
So when I try to use trickster,
See, you keep getting juked by him, too. Oh, God.
use it.
Oh, shoot. I didn't have full. Wait. Oh, God. Neil, no.
I believe in you, buddy.
Oh, God. He juked me again. Oh, fuck. Why does he get me when he does that?
Kamehameha, but it's white for some reason. Damn freak. Come on, Ryan. Use the power of trickster.
Oh, God.
Come on, bro. Use the Dante trickster.
I don't even have to. Damn, I'm kicking his ass. Damn, I am kicking his ass right now. Oh my God.
See, I believe in him.
This is almost a 20-minute episode. This is 26 minutes we've been going.
Shalangabang.
Gang, we up. B+.
Bang.
Let's go, guys.
Bang. That's gonna end it, I think.
Would you like to do the honor, say the thing?
That'll end it for Bean Clamp. See you.
But this ain't next time, you. Goopy look
Goopy? You know what else is goopy? The next episode. That's the next time on Bean Clamp.
Thank you. Now I can put in the.
Where the goop loop will the goop loop until the boop gloop.
We discuss Flamp Clamp further.
And then gloop boop.
And then we discuss the geopolitical struggles in the Middle East.
Will there be peace in the Middle East?
Alright, goodbye everyone.